ಬೇಡವೆ? ಕಾಮತ್ತವ್ರೆ ಹೈ ಏಮ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ. Always one can have 50% is always right, no? I have not seen that judgment of the Madras Principal City Civil Court. There was some time back, a suit was filed in City Civil Court, Madras. A person has approached the court with a prayer for permanent injunction, restraining Aishwarya Rai not to marry that son of Amitabh Bachchan. I always quote this example for our young friends in the district judiciary. Look at the plaint and pass orders. So he had prayed made up such a prayer. You maybe due to rush or whatever it is, I would not say anything further because it is for the gentleman to work out. He issued TI. And then somebody brought, and then they saw all these things, and then it became a big issue. Media davaru gottalla. Ili hoytu andre holi hoytu antagi alla agoytu. Yenu plaint governments andre, the plaintiff therein was a rickshaw driver who had seen good number of movies of that actress, Aishwarya Rai. And some very big posters were there of some good movies. He had pasted all those posters in his room and put a garland also. ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅವಳನ್ನ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಇನ್ಯಾರನ್ನು ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು, ನನಗೆ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಚ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಪಾಸ್. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಂಥವಕ್ಕೇನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೇ ಡ್ರೀಮಿಂಗ್ಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇನೋ ಆಯ್ತು ಪಾಪ, ಇಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಓಪನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಯಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್, ನೋಡಿ. We have seen the Indian judiciary where a summons came to be issued against Abdul Kalam. Why all these things are happening? ಇದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Good that you made me to remember that.
I will tell this. Nobody sitting today.
No.
Because the fact that someone was issued to the speaker.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನಾರು ಒಂದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕೇಳೋದು, ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಅದು ಉಚಿತವೇ ಅಂತ ನಮಗ್ ನಾವೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇದ್ಯಾವುದು ಈ ತರದ್ದು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಟು ಯಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ just look at the plaint. Just look at the plaint. See, I am the Honorable Chief Justice said, you go and exchange your views. I should not say no advice and all. It's a very big word. We have a program called cluster training. 2 districts will be meeting in a place. And all the judges, right from the principal district judge of both the districts till up to the new entrant, we will all meet in a place in the presence of their respective administrative judges. A judge who is not an administrative judge for that particular districts will be the cluster judge, cluster training judge, that's they call. So we have to go and then deliberate on day-to-day problems that the district judiciary would face. So I was given the responsibility of Kolar and Chikbalapur, and again in Chitradurga and Tumkur. I don't know why chief felt that I should be for 4 districts. So this was there. Day in and day out, we find such mistakes that is been occurring in the district judiciary. So to obviate such things, this was mooted, and then it was successful. First round ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗೀತು. 10 questions ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. So the parties, I mean the learned young members of the judiciary, district judiciary, are to come out with their presentation on the topic. The others have to hear, and some doubts, all that will be cleared. It's a day-long program. So usual Sundays, that is meant for that. So I had gone there, once to Kolar, once to Chikbalapur, once to Tumkur and Chitradurga. So 4 Sundays we have spent on that. Some doubts, serious doubts are there. So this is the thing that I said, look at the plaint first. And then find out whether it is a case for issue of summons. Then order 7, 11, everything will come into picture. If you simply say a suit is filed and it is my duty, issue summons, then what we are doing is wrong. ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಡ್ರಾಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನವರು, such an injunction would not have been there. ಮೈಸೂರಿನಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳ್ಪಟ್ಟೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕರಣ, I don't know how far it is true. Somebody has filed an application to implead Honorable Justice M.N. Vijay in that matter, and summons is issued. Without there being looking into who is, not that it should not be, but there must be some material, no?